In the past, I've made some crazy money with dropshipping, but I've almost always either made it through a couple of days, weeks, or even months. So I ask myself, can I create a new Shopify dropshipping store and create a profitable business within 24 hours? So that is what I'm going to attempt today. Also, if the store should be profitable, I'm going to give the store and $500 away to one of you. So make sure you watch the entire video to find out how to enter the giveaway. And since we don't have a lot of time, I'm going to use my secret research method. After that, we're going to build a simple store with Shopify. Yeah, and then what we're going to do is run some ads and make some money. But now, let's get started. Part 1, which is finding a winning product. As I said, I'm going to use my secret method, which I've been using for a while now, and that is to use the software AutoDS. I basically just went on AutoDS, which is so goated when it comes to finding winning products. So what I always do is go onto their marketplace and then just scroll through there for some time. And I guarantee you guys, you're going to find some really good products if you do this for some time. And then what I also always do is go in the TikTok ad spy and look at which products are going viral on TikTok right now. And there really are tons of options here what you can do. So I would recommend you just filter for likes and comments, etc. So AutoDS just saves you so much time and makes it so easy for you to find a winning product. So yeah, just great. So the product I found through all this research was this portable humidifier fan. Just a really cool product for summer, and it actually has been going viral lately. And since summer has just started, I think this is a great product to sell. I have found so many great products on here which have made me hundreds and even thousands of dollars. So if I were you, I would definitely go and check this out, and through the link in my bio you can actually get a 30-day free trial. Okay, now so after I had my product, it was time to build the store and then began working on the website. I used the Dawn theme and just basically uploaded some photos of the product. And then I also made a homepage and a product site. Also, I tried to keep the website really clean. Optimally, you wouldn't want to use more than 3 colors on your site. Otherwise, it would really just look really weird and scammy. So I worked in the text and sections, removing and adding different parts until it was looking good. And then I also added some social credit to make the website look even better. This is what the website looked in the end, really cool and simple considering the time I only spent on doing it. Now I already had spent 2 hours of my time at this point, so I had to continue. The next thing on my list was the ad creatives. Normally this is a really big task because you have to get the product, film the product, and then also edit it. But because I'm smart, I chose the better route, which was to get my ad creatives done by Viral Ecom Ads. Viral Ecom Ads basically creates a lot of ecom ads for different dropshipping stores. The odds are pretty good that you've already seen one of their ads before. On their site you can choose between a lot of packages, but I just chose the TikTok split testing bundle. So I went on there and added all the details. And I also selected whether I want a UGC creator and a voiceover. They really have a lot of customizations, which is something I really like about Viral Ecom Ads. So I had already ordered the creatives immediately after I found my product, and I received them perfectly in time. The good thing is I had faster shipping since I'm in their VIP program, which you can join for a monthly fee. So I looked at the creatives, and as always they were really good. And there was no doubt in my mind that these creatives would help me make the store profitable. So if you need some ad creatives too, go and check out the link in my bio where you can get 15% on anything you buy from Viral Ecom Ads. So now that we also had our ads, we were at the final part, which was setting up an advertising campaign. You can either use Facebook ads or TikTok ads for this, but I went with TikTok ads, and then just created a new campaign and made a really broad setup. For example, I just chose no interest targeting because that's something the algorithm can do for itself and probably can do a lot better. Then I targeted the United Kingdom and chose to only run my ads on TikTok and not on Pangle. And most importantly, for the budget, I put it on $600 a day. Then on the last page, I uploaded my ad creatives and wrote some nice call to actions. Something like get yours now, sale now, or 24-hour flash sale. Then I submitted my ads and luckily they were accepted. Because trust me guys, I've had some real issues with TikTok ads lately. Now I actually didn't really have to do anything anymore. I just had to wait and hope for sales to come in. So I did some other work and checked my phone once in a while. In the evening, after like 5 hours, we actually already made 19 sales, resulting in a total of $640 made. Then we got like 2 more sales later that day, which is actually not that good, but the good thing was the ads weren't spending anymore, which made it okay. Then later that day, the sales were picking up again. And I turned off the ads at around 4 p.m, which is when I started the challenge. So second day we got a total of 16 sales, and the first day was 21 sales. So we had 37 total sales, which added up to $1,184. Now I can already tell you that the store was profitable, but let's quickly calculate the profit. If we subtract the $550 we spent on ads and the $220 product cost we had, we come out at around $414 in profit, which I think is really good. Now as I said, I'm going to give this store at $500 away to one of you. And here's what you need to do to enter this giveaway. First of all, you have to like and subscribe, and then also comment your favorite part of this video. And then you also need to sign up for a 30-day free trial with AutoDS through the link in my bio. I'll have a look at the sign up list with AutoDS and look at who've done all of these things I asked, and I'm gonna pick one of you and give you the $500 and this profitable dropshipping store. So the very best of luck to all of you guys. And with that being said, that was it for the video. I hope you learned something, and yeah, just keep going guys. I'm sure you will make money with dropshipping soon.